Click Local Disk. Open Folder. Go to Themes folder. Create a new folder. Write name. Open folder. Create new text document. Edit name function.php. Create new text document. Edit name style.css. Go to File. Open first document file. Copy code. Paste code. Open second document file. Copy code. Paste code. Write theme name. Write author name. Write template name. Copy image. Paste image. Refresh the site. Activate theme. Click the link in the bio to sign up wplearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.